And in this video you are learning CRUD operation or create, update, delete operation using Ajax jQuery in the front end, PHP MySql in the backend. So far you have learned how to add a record and how to display the added data, and in the third video you learned how to delete a record, and in this video you are going to learn how to edit the record. So let's start. So what we will do, just copy this one and then paste here. This time it will be edit, right? Because we have given the name here in, not this one, course list. We have given the name edit here. So now what we will do, we will get attribute as it is, and apart from these IDs we will also pass the value of this text box. The value, this one, will be passed to here in text box. So for that what we need to do is that, let's write here input type hidden name equals to course data, value equals to this one, in ID will be also course data ID. So actually like this. Okay, so this is the ID and value we are getting. So in place of this we will write here course name. This course name will be its value. So what will happen, we require two things for updating the data. We require two things. First, the value, and ID. We will pass from ID also. So now let's get back to here and then first check this ID. So in the meantime I will comment this, then we will uncomment later. Alright, now refresh it, try to click on this edit. So it's not working, there is something wrong. On click edit, or we have not done an alert here. Let's try to alert and see the value which is coming. So here will be IDs. Now refresh it and try, click on this. So ID is coming, its respective ID is coming of particular record. Now we will also display here the value of each record, right? So simply let's fetch the value like this. Course name, so what is its name here? Course data, also let's remove it. Course data, isn't it? Here will be course data and course data here. So let me alert it and check whether it's coming or not. It is coming 22/9, but not the course data. Course data, the value is coming as course name. It should come course name. class name, no class name. Oh, sorry, actually we are putting here, so our section is here. Okay, course data, so it should display the course ID will be also, so I shouldn't have deleted that one. As I mentioned you before, that we require two things here, one ID and another one the data. So based on ID, that record will be updated. So this time it should display the respective record. Ajax, Java. Okay, so there is one problem. Whatever I'm clicking, it is displaying Ajax, the first record only. The reason is, if you inspect element here, then you see the ID of every record is course data. It should have been unique ID here, but all the ID is same. That is why it is displaying the first one only. So what we need to do is that we will make small modification in this code here. Underscore course data underscore ID. So every time a new ID will go there. So how it will work now? If you refresh it, you will see it will display the course name as well as its ID. So if I click on another one, then it will display its course name as well as its ID. You can see here 8, 9. So apart from the course data, so now the ID is unique here, not the same, isn't it? We want it to be unique, that is why. So if I click on, then undefined it will show, because we need to make modification here. So here will be course data plus underscore and then plus ID. So it will match to every ID there. So it will be like course data underscore 8, course data underscore 9, because it will fetch first ID, then it will match with that course data, and it will display unique field every time. Ajax, Java. Right, so now we are getting ID as well as its field value. So based on that, now we will move for further operation. But before that, what we want is that we want to fill the value, whatever we will click, it should display here, and this add course should change to update course. So for that we need to change here like this. We will write this code. Just let's comment this. So document dot get element by ID, this course name, the ID of this text field is course name. So we will fill the value course name dot value this course name. So whatever course name will be, the value will be changed to the text field. So let us try. If refresh, click on this, so based on click on the ID, you can see the data is changing in this. So now what will happen, this add course should change to edit course. So let's do one thing. Simply we will copy this one and paste here below, and then its ID will be different. I named ID edit btn edit. Okay, and here will be edit course. So what will happen if you refresh the page? You will see two buttons. So what we need, initially this edit will be hidden, but when we click this one, this should be hidden and this edit should display. So it will be like toggling. Okay, so here will be style display none. That means initially it will be hidden. Okay, but when we click this one, it should hide and that one should display. So this is our button. So here we will write $ hash button dot fade in 1 second. It will fade in, means display the edit one. Initially it will be hidden, then when we click on the edit button, in that case it should display. Yeah, but it should hide. So in the meantime, so what we will do is copy it and paste below, and then let's find its ID. Its ID is simply submit. Okay, so we will fade out this submit, means it will be get hidden. Okay, so if I click on this, then this edit comes in, and then but if I want to add a new record, then we need also that button, so there is no point in hiding that one. Okay, so let's keep that button, because later it may be required that we need also to add. So this is edit one. Okay, so when we will click on this edit, the record should get updated here after changing its name. For example, if I change here Javas and click on edit course, in that case the new data should display here after changing. So that's it in this video, and in the next video I will show you how you can edit the record. So thanks for watching, stay connected, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.